What should I do if my USPS tracking hasn't updated in several days?
Hello and welcome, everyone. In this video, we'll be addressing an issue that's all too familiar for many of us. What should you do if your USPS tracking information hasn't updated in several days? Fear not, for we have a few practical steps that you can take to investigate and possibly resolve the situation. Let's dive in.
Understand how USPS tracking works.
The first step to dealing with USPS tracking issues is to understand how the tracking system works. USPS uses barcodes on packages, which are scanned at various points during the delivery process. These scans update your tracking information. However, it's important to know that scanning is not always done in real time, and certain stages might not update your tracking info immediately.
How long should you wait?
Before you start panicking about your USPS tracking not updating, you should know how long to reasonably wait. Generally, for domestic packages, it might take 2 to 3 business days for tracking information to update. For international packages, it could take slightly longer. So, don't worry if your tracking info hasn't updated in a day or two.
Reach out to USPS.
If it has been several days without an update to your tracking info, the next step is to contact USPS. You can do this by calling their customer service line, or by visiting your local post office. Make sure you have your tracking number on hand when you contact them. The USPS representatives should be able to provide more detailed information or escalate the issue if necessary.
File a missing mail search request.
In case your package still doesn't show up and the tracking hasn't updated for an extended period of time, you might need to file a missing mail search request. This can be done on the USPS website. This service is designed to help locate lost packages or mail. Remember, while it can be frustrating to have USPS tracking that hasn't updated in several days, there are steps you can take to find more information and potentially resolve the issue. Patience is key, but don't hesitate to reach out to USPS if you believe there's a problem. We hope this video has been helpful and wish you all the best with your future USPS deliveries.